Sufficiently means enough, or to the required level. In simple words, sufficiently equals enough. What does sufficiently mean in daily life? Something is sufficiently when there is enough quantity, it meets the need, no more is required. Very easy examples. The room is sufficiently large, it is big enough. He studied sufficiently, he studied enough. More simple sentences. The food is sufficiently cooked. The explanation is sufficiently clear. She is sufficiently prepared for the exam. Daily life situations. Save sufficiently for the future. Rest sufficiently before work. Drink sufficiently water every day. Student-friendly sentence. The student prepared sufficiently for the test. Important point to remember. Sufficiently does not mean extra. It means just enough. Easy memory tip. Sufficiently equals enough.